Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen and today I will be showing you how to make this lip balm keychain. You will need worsted weight cotton yarn. I'm using Lily Sugar and Cream, scissors, a swivel clasp, a darning needle, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 4. I will link videos in the description box below showing slowly how to do a slip knot, chain, and single crochet. Those are the 3 things you need to know for this project. Once you've completed your 4th chain, insert your hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. This will connect both ends together. You will have a hole in the center. Chain 1 and work 9 single crochets through the center. This will be the base of your lip balm holder. After your 9th stitch, we will be slip stitching into the top of the very first stitch. The arrow points to where this is. Slip stitch under the front and back of the V. To make your center smaller, pull on the tail to tighten. Next, chain 1 to start your 2nd round. This picture shows where your first and last stitch of your 2nd round will go. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 9 stitches. After making your 9th stitch, slip stitch into the top of the first one. This completes your 2nd round. As you continue your rounds, your project will start to get taller. Once your 3rd round is complete, it's a good place to pause and check that your lip balm fits in the holder. Continue making rounds until you have a total of 10 rounds. You will notice little horizontal bars on top of the base. That's your 1st round. Each horizontal row of little bars after is another round. There should be a total of 10, with your last ones being at the very top. We will now switch from working in rounds to working in rows to make the top part of the keychain holder that folds over the clasp. To begin this part, chain 1 and turn. Work the first single crochet in the same stitch that your chain 1 is coming out of. Continue on, making 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches for a total of 4 single crochet. This will complete your 1st row. Chain 1 and turn and work your way across again. Each row will have 4 single crochet stitches. Make a total of 5 rows. Pause your video and I will meet you back when you've finished your 5th row. After the last row is complete, cut your tail and finish off. The tail should be at least 8 inches long. I will add a product link in the description box below for the keychain clasp. Slide your keychain over the top rows so when it's folded, the seam is on the back. Thread the yarn with a darning needle. Go back and forth sewing the first and last of the rows together twice for a total of 8 sewn stitches. Once the sewn stitches are complete, finish off and weave in the ends. Your lip balm holder is now complete. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe for more crochet tutorials and projects.